Neptune Facts. Neptune is the most distant planet from the Sun. Neptune is the smallest gas giant. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. Neptune is named after the Roman god of the sea. Neptune has 6 faint rings. Neptune was not known to the ancients. Neptune spins on its axis very rapidly. Neptune is the smallest of the ice giants. The atmosphere of Neptune is made of hydrogen and helium, with some methane. Neptune has a very active climate. Neptune has a very thin collection of rings. Neptune has 14 moons. Only one spacecraft has flown by Neptune.